just for a second. Somebody texted me, man. You gotta turn around. You know, I'm actually about to get myself back on my bike and ride a little bit and enjoy this day. Solo. Dolo. You understand? Y'all be blessed. Till next time. Might be in a bit later. I might come back with some music, might DJ. Been a while. Might tap into IG and play some tunes. You too, my bro. You already know, many times, send love to the family, bro. Everybody, man. And I pray everybody eat right today. Talking to everybody in the chat. Blink King, my bro. Bless.